Hey guys, it's Tammy Van Hollander. I want to introduce you to a super fun intervention. Hopefully, I will be able to do this on video because sometimes it's easy and sometimes it's not. One of my clients actually introduced it to me, these Boomerang popsicle sticks. So they could be made with all different types of popsicle sticks. And the cool thing about them is once you throw them, and I will show it to you, they all fall apart. So it's like this really cool boomerang that you first really have to pay attention, a lot of focus, learning and frustration tolerance in order to put it together. And then if we're looking at some of the relationship piece and some of the attachment based part, how are kids able to do it with families or for you to do it with their clients and to be able to count to three, and on the count of three, right, we have that awesome release therapy where they're getting out all of that extra energy and throwing it at the wall or at a target. I have a target over here and ways they can do it. So I am going to try really hard to duplicate this. Sometimes I'm really good at it and sometimes I'm not. It seems like the kids are way better at this than I am. So I am going to try to show you how this works. So you need 4 popsicle sticks. And ideally you want to, see how quickly it just popped apart. You're going to crisscross it. And then it's really like a weave of how, almost like a puzzle, of how are you going to be putting it together. Now, there are some other YouTube directions, which are probably way better than the one that I am doing. But let's see. So this one, I'm just kind of putting it over. So if this one's open, we have to be able to weave it. It's like a weave. Did I do it? I think I did it. Let's see. I think I did it. Okay, let's see if I'm going to try to throw it, guys, and see for you guys to see how it's going to look. I'm just going to like throw it at this door and we'll see what's going to happen. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You may not have seen it break into pieces, but that's a little bit of an idea of it. But they're super fun, and with the weave of it, once you figure out how to weave them, you could do all sorts of really cool projects with them. And what do you do with your extra ones? Make extra greatness sticks. We always need extra greatness sticks. New greatness words are always coming about. So just a fun little intervention. Your clients will love it. Parents love doing it too, of focusing, trying to continue to redo it because it does get pretty frustrating. And then once you've spent the time creating it, we throw it, release it, let it fall apart, and do it all over again. We all need redos in our life. Okay, guys, take care and feel free to check me out at mainlineplaytherapy.com or my YouTube channel, Tammy Van Hollander, or my Facebook page, Tammy's Play Therapy and Sandtray Therapy page. Take care, guys.